Welcome to Church House. This characterful Grade 2 listed property sits in the heart of the popular village of Harbury with views over the church. Having an abundance of original features, including flagstone flooring, beams and fireplaces, this property really oozes charm. The current owners have added a spacious studio, ideal for anyone wanting to work from home. This space has multiple uses, with bifold doors opening out onto a colourful private garden, and has its own separate entrance. The versatile accommodation makes this house the perfect family home. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you would like to wake up on a Sunday morning with bells ringing, then don't miss out on our open house. If you would like the details for this property, then don't hesitate to contact us through Fine & Country Leamington Spa. Thank you for watching.